Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to add TV show episodes to your Apple Music library. Let's begin. First, open up your Apple Music app. Once you have it open, go look on the bottom right corner. Do you see that little magnifier? Tap on that, and I'll search for Carpool Karaoke. It's a TV show. And alright, and I'll go to the show, and it's the first result. But if you don't find yours in the first result, if you scroll down, look in the TV and movie section, and you should pull your show if it's available. Okay, so once you see the show, by the way, just tap on it and scroll down to the episode that you would like to add to your library. Say I'm gonna add this one with Will Smith. So tap and hold the episode. So tap and hold where you see like the picture. Tap and hold it. Tap, hold, scroll up, So tap, hold, scroll up. And once this menu comes, tap on where it says add to library. And it says add to the library. So if I go back to the library by going to the bottom left corner where it says library, and I go to TV and movies, you can see that the episode has been added. That's how you add TV show episodes into your Apple Music library. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.